Healthy lunch recipe. Chicken patties with quinoa. 8 ingredients. Pass the chicken breast through a meat grinder or blend it in a blender. Finely chop the carrot and onion and mince the garlic. In a deep bowl, combine the ground chicken, carrot, onion, garlic, egg, and breadcrumbs. Add spices to taste and mix well. Cook quinoa in boiling salted water according to the instructions on the package. Shape the mixture into patties and fry them over medium heat until golden brown on both sides. Serve the chicken patties with cooked quinoa and savor a meal that is both delicious and nutritious. Enjoy with healthy recipe guru. Such a lunch will help maintain a healthy diet and gradually reduce weight due to the balance of macronutrients and micronutrients, as well as its low-fat content and abundance of dietary fiber. Additionally, this meal promotes muscle recovery and replenishment of energy after workouts, offering a variety of nutrients for overall dietary balance. This wholesome lunch recipe is the perfect way to fuel your day, and our channel is a treasure trove of inspiration and recipes for your healthy culinary journey. Join us to stay updated on our latest releases.